Somewhere beyond the edge of our solar system, in the vastness where the sun is just another distant star, a small spacecraft hurtles through the darkness. Its destination is unknown, its journey endless. This is Voyager 1, humanity's most distant explorer, carrying with it a message, a golden time capsule meant for whoever or whatever may one day find it in the cosmic deep. Imagine standing on the surface of a planet orbiting a star light years from Earth. Through a powerful telescope, you spot a faint glint, a tiny artifact, a visitor from another world. Inside, pressed in gold and encoded with extraordinary care, lies a record of life on a blue planet orbiting an ordinary star. This is the Golden Record, NASA's message in a cosmic bottle. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1's primary mission was to explore Jupiter and Saturn, sending back breathtaking photographs and invaluable data. But the mission's architects had a grander vision, one that reached beyond science and into the realms of hope and imagination. They asked, if an intelligent civilization encountered Voyager 1 millions of years from now, what would we want them to know about us? What could we say in a single disk about who we are? The result was the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc mounted on the outside of the spacecraft, protected by an aluminum cover. It's more than just a physical object. It's a declaration to the universe that for at least a brief moment, humanity looked outward and wanted to be seen. The Golden Record begins with a simple but profound gesture. Greetings, spoken in 55 languages. From the ancient Akkadian tongue of Mesopotamia to modern Chinese, from greetings in English and Spanish to the lyrical cadences of Hindi and Urdu, these messages echo across time and space. Each one, a voice from Earth, says hello. Some greetings are brief, just the word for peace. Others are longer, expressing good wishes, curiosity, and even humor. Together, these voices form a chorus of humanity's diversity, a linguistic snapshot of our planet at the dawn of interstellar exploration. But language is just one way humans communicate. The Golden Record continues with the sounds of Earth, an audio journey that begins with the rhythmic pulse of a heartbeat and the gentle inhale and exhale of breath. We hear the crackle of thunder, the rush of wind, the rolling surf of ocean waves. There are the songs of birds, the barking of dogs, the chirping of insects, human laughter, footsteps, a kiss. Each sound is a piece of a puzzle, offering a sensory portrait of our home to anyone who might try to understand us. If the sounds of Earth are an auditory introduction, then the music on the Golden Record is an invitation to experience our creativity. The curators selected a playlist that spans continents and centuries, an extraordinary mixtape for the universe. Classical masterpieces like Bach's Brandenburg Concerto share space with a Navajo night chant, a Japanese shakuhachi flute solo, and the exuberant strains of Chuck Berry's Johnny B. Goode. There are folk songs from Australia, Bulgaria, and Peru. Each track was chosen not only for its beauty, but as a beacon of our culture's emotional depth and artistic ingenuity. Through music, we reveal our joys, our sorrows, the rhythms of our societies, and the universality of melody. But the Golden Record doesn't stop at words and music. It also contains a gallery of 116 photographs, each one carefully selected to tell our story visually. These images cover the spectrum of life on Earth. There are photographs of a mother and child, of human families from around the globe, of athletes running and children in school. The diversity of humanity is mirrored in images of animals, dolphins leaping, a herd of elephants, a school of fish. Landscapes range from snowy mountains to wheat fields, the Sahara Desert to the Great Wall of China. There are diagrams, too, showing the structure of DNA, the anatomy of the human body, and the double helix spiral that encodes our genetic instructions. Scientific illustrations explain basic mathematics, the chemistry of our atmosphere, and even offer a cosmic roadmap to our solar system. All this information is encoded ingeniously onto the record, but NASA's engineers knew that whoever finds Voyager, one may not be familiar with any Earth language or even with our technology. To address this, the Golden Record's cover is etched with diagrams, instructions for playing the record, the waveform of the first sound, and a map showing our location in the galaxy. This map uses the positions of 14 pulsars, rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation to pinpoint our place in the cosmos. The frequency of each pulsar is encoded, providing a galactic address that, at least in theory, could be deciphered by an advanced intelligence. This cosmic message was never meant to be intercepted quickly. Voyager 1 is traveling at over 17 kilometers per second, but the distances between stars are so immense that it will not approach another star for some 40,000 years. Today, it is more than 15 billion miles from Earth, speeding through interstellar space, a region no human-made object had ever reached before. Its scientific instruments still occasionally send back faint signals, but eventually, sometime in the 2030s, Voyager 1 will go silent. The spacecraft's power supply will be exhausted and its systems will cease. Yet, the Golden Record will endure. In the cold, radiation-filled emptiness between the stars, copper and gold are remarkably stable. For 1 billion years or more, the record will keep circling the center of our galaxy, perhaps never found, perhaps discovered by beings we cannot yet imagine. Even if it drifts forever in darkness, the Golden Record remains a shining testament to our curiosity, our creativity, and our hope that across the vast Black Sea, we are not alone. The Golden Record's journey is a saga written across the grandest stage, the Milky Way galaxy itself. Inside this copper and gold disk, humanity has placed a remarkable time capsule, a greeting in 55 languages, each a distinct thread in the vast tapestry of our cultures. Ancient Sumerian whispers join modern English, Mandarin, and Hindi, all saying hello to any intelligence that might one day decipher these sounds. It's not just words, but the very cadence and rhythm of our species, a testament to our diversity and our shared existence. Then there is the music, a universal language that requires no translation. From the haunting notes of a Navajo night chant, to the exuberant rhythms of Senegalese percussion, to the elegance of Bach's Brandenburg Concerto, every selection was carefully chosen. Even Chuck Berry's Johnny B. Good made the cut, a jolt of 20th century energy echoing into the cosmos. These melodies are more than entertainment. They are emotional artifacts, each piece capturing a fragment of humanity's soul, our joy and sorrow, our longing for connection. But the Golden Record's story doesn't end with sound. It holds 116 images, silent snapshots that paint a visual mosaic